Hey everyone, what is going on? It is K2 Investing here. My name is Karen, and in this video I'm going to go over how I made over $1,600 in the spooky month of October. That $1,600 is a combination of my dividend payout, my day in swing trading, and my little bit of cryptocurrency that I was messing around with. Before we get started though, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, because after this video I am immediately going to start recording the next one, which is going to go in depth of the 6 different stocks I have been using to make that $1,400 in day trading and swing trading. And I did that all starting from October 15th to the 31st. So if you guys want to make sure you get all that good info on what I find value in and what I plan to do with it in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video. But going into the important part of the video and what this entails is the recap of October. And right now my portfolio is sitting at $55,474.36. You can see that it's still moving because I do have a small amount of cryptocurrency which still executes and does things during the after hours. So looking at my buying power, $9,363. However, I do have some holdings right now, but roughly that amount is about $24,000 that I'm messing with my day trades and my swing trades. So up about $11 for the day. Again, it's Sunday, so not much movement. For the week, $742. On the month, $3,771. 3 month, $6,958. 1 year, $13,334. All over $14,753. So guys, if investing is new to you, I understand the scariness and you might think I'm crazy to have $55,000 in the market, but if you think about it, having $55,000 in the market as opposed to in a savings account, I am definitely making more money. I would probably be making about $20 a month having this money in here as opposed to close to $2,000 a month like I did this past October. So definitely worth investing as long as you guys learn what you need to do, find what works for you, and keep pushing, and don't let little setbacks keep you from achieving your goals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into my tracking system. So I use Google Sheets. So Google Sheets is completely free to use. All you need is a Google account, and this is my dividend portion. Starting left to right, I got the date, stock ticker symbol, the price paid out per share, the amount of shares that I have, and the total when you times those two together. The green represents Robinhood and the blue represents Webull, because I do have a small holding in Webull as well. Going down here to the bottom, this orange total is how much I made for the month. So October coming out at exactly $110. So I also break down all my trades as well, and to make it simpler, I put it all into this one Google Sheet. So starting on the first tab is my dividends. Starting in 2019, 2020, and 2021, it's broken down by every single month. So as you can see, the growth throughout the last few years in each month when it comes to my dividends. I haven't done much with my long-term buy and hold. I've pretty much kept everything the same. It's just been reinvesting into itself. However, with COVID, a lot of stocks stopped paying out as much. So that's how you see a little bit of a downtrend when it comes to my dividends, but for the most part it's been holding pretty steady. So in the month of October, again, you see that $110, and to show that growth, the total in the orange throughout the year, 548, 1,925. So hopefully I will be able to beat out last year 2020's total, but already my average is up higher. So if everything keeps going the way it should, it might not be a huge difference between 2020 and 2021, but still growth is growth. Going into the next tab down here at the bottom is my trading. So I didn't really start trading until 2020. For those of you who don't know, you do have to have at least $25,000 in your portfolio to be able to day trade without restrictions. And I didn't really start doing that until late last year, as you can see. And then up in January, I made over $2,000, my biggest month to date. Then I was actually deployed at that time, and I got into a bad trade with Tesla. I will go into that detail a little bit more in my next video, so again, hit that subscribe button. Down here in October, you can see after all those months of not day trading, I was able to make $1,426.90. So just over the past year down here at the total, $2,381 in 2020 up to $4,554. Almost doubling it already. Same thing with the average, averaging roughly $414 per month, and that is including all those zeros there as well. Definitely excited to see what the future holds. And then crypto, I've been messing around with crypto a little bit. Nothing too crazy, especially over the last few months. Crypto is so hard to read for me anyway. I mean, it could be up 20% one day and then down 50% the next day. That's a little excessive actually, but still, I've only been messing around with it a little bit, doing really small trades, about $5 trades per time. And really what I'm doing with crypto, again, I'm going to go into this more in detail in my next video, but I really don't want to invest more than what I've made. So as you can see down here so far in the year 2021, I've made $1,327 trading with crypto, about $120 per month. So I don't plan on ever putting more than that money that I've already made back into it. That way, if anything crazy happens with crypto, I only lost the money that I already made. So it's not a huge deal. Especially with my crypto trading, I just put limit buys, limit sells, and let it do its thing. The very last tab is all. This is where I take those last 3 tabs and I add it all together so I can see it all together and really see that growth throughout my portfolio. So again, seeing that January 2021 was definitely my biggest month, but really starting to catch up here in the spooky month of October, and I'm hoping to see those numbers continue to grow throughout the rest of this year. But again, looking at the bottom totals, 2019, $548, 2020, $3,459, and then 2021, $6,350. Having this type of chart is extremely valuable because it gets to show me my progress, where I'm at, where I stand, and how I can continue to improve with my trading. And it really just makes you feel better, because one of the things that's the hardest when you first start out is not seeing a lot of growth. But if you look at the small steps that you take and you start seeing that progress, it really gives you that motivation. That's exactly why I made these charts and why I've been able to get my portfolio to grow so much over the last year or so, and why I haven't been so afraid to put more of my own hard-earned money into my portfolio. So everyone, that's it. I just want to do a really quick recap on my money that I made in October of 2021. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss those future videos. I am going to be making a budget video here shortly, show you how I was able to put all this money into my portfolio. To all my current 600 subscribers, I love you guys. I appreciate you holding out for me. I cannot wait to hit the milestone of 1,000 subscribers, and I'm going to celebrate by buying a camera and doing these videos in front of the camera. So if you guys want to see my slightly above average face every single video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But as always, guys, I hope you stay green, you stay classy, and you make your moves with that kinetic knowledge. Take it easy.